friends, welcome to channel Farmer Geeks with a slogan "We grow together." Hydroponic farming. What do it mean? New technologies are coming up every day in the world as the world population is growing. The agriculture industry is also developing new techniques to grow food in lesser space and by saving water. The hydroponic growing system is a step towards this. Hydroponic system is a system of growing crops without soil, often called soilless farming in the hydroponic system. The plant roots grow in a liquid nutrient solution or inside the moist inert materials like rock wool and vermiculite. The liquid nutrient solution is a mixture of essential plants nutrients in the water. The plant's roots are suspended either in the static liquid solution or in a continuously flowing nutrient mixture. The hydroponic growing system requires continuous attention to the crops, unlike the traditional farming system. Advantages of a hydroponic system: higher productivity than the traditional farming system. The plant nutrients are effectively used and there is no wastage. The hydroponic system is a controlled climate system in which the crops can grow year round. Water is utilization very high when compared to the traditional farming method, up to 80 to 90% higher. The crops are grown in a closed space, which eliminates the attack of pests and insects. Types of hydroponic systems. The growing method for each type of crop can be different, so as the hydroponic system, when you are choosing between the various hydroponic systems, knowing about the basics of the system will help you in making the decision. Here is a quick go through some of the hydroponic system. Standing aerated nutrient solution. This system is commonly known as DWC, that is deep water culture system. Standing aerated nutrient solution is a hydroponic system in which the nutrient solution is static, suspending the plant's roots in the nutrient solution. A replacement of the nutrient solution is required every 5 to 10 days. That is, frequency depends on the number of plants and system volume. A crop like a lettuce can be successfully grown in this system on styrofoam sheets floating on an aerated nutrient solution. Nutrient film techniques, that is NFT. Nutrients film techniques, gully channels are used in this system to grow plants. The nutrient solution keeps flowing in these gully channels. A pump connected to the reservoir pumps the nutrient solution to the NFT channels. One of the advantages of NFT is the easy installation of the system and the relatively low cost of the material. And there are two different types of NFT systems, that is horizontal NFT system and vertical NFT system. Aeroponic system drastically reduces the amount of water used in growing crops. In this system, plants' roots get their nutrients and water through the aerosol mist sprayed on them. Plants' roots get the oxygen from the air while suspending. Aeroponic system is comparatively challenging to manage but much more economical in the use of nutrients and water. Dutch buck grow system, as the name is depicting, this system uses buckets to grow plants. These buckets can vary in size depending on the requirements of the grower. The buckets has a growing media like vermiculite to support the growing plants. Plants have much larger roots or grown with the help of the Dutch bucket system like a tomato and cucumber. The bucket has a growing media like a vermiculite to support the growing plant. Plants having much large roots are grown with the help of the Dutch bucket system like a tomato and cucumber. How much does it cost to set up a hydroponic farm in 1 acre? Adoption of new technologies makes you feel more confident about yourself when it comes to adopt those technologies in the farm business. People usually took their food back. The reason behind this is not having precise information about it. If you are thinking of setting up your dreams hydroponic farm, we are here to assist you in your path of success. We will talk about those things here that takes up a large part of your investments in the hydroponic farm. Land on which the hydroponic farm will set up. Choosing where to set up your hydroponic farm is crucial. The land should have proper access to electricity, water, and nearby market. Outer structure. The outer structure of the hydroponic farm provides a protected environment for the crops. There are two types of outer structure mainly. One is polyhouses type and other is greenhouse type. Both the structures has distinct advantages. Growing system. The growing system depends on the type of the plant you wanted to grow in your hydroponic farm. If you are planning to crops like lettuce, kale, the NFT system will be suitable, and if you need to grow vegetable crops like a tomato and cucumber, the Dutch bucket system will be fit. Temperature and irrigation controlling systems. The temperature controlling system will maintain an optimum temperatures for growth of the crops. The irrigation system will irrigate or pumps the nutrient solution to the growing system and continuously monitors the moist. The estimated cost of the setting up a hydroponic farm in India in 1 acre will cost between 1.45 crore to 1.80 crore. It is an estimated cost and can vary accordingly to your specific choice of the equipment. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do subscribe.